I got made. That's all.
How many touchdowns you had, bro?
Man, I had about 5 or 6 of them things. Returned the pick for a touchdown, you know what I'm saying? Returned 2 kickoffs for a touchdown, you know what I'm saying? Caught about 2 touchdowns, threw for 2 of them. You know, I said I did the whole package.
Okay, so
That's how I do. I did an AP, high needs.
How many touchdowns you had, bro?
Oh, you know, well.
I tossed you one, don't forget about that one.
That's one.
Hold on, let me hop in.
Okay, Fox 9 News.
Okay, you know.
Live. You know, Wade.
You know what I'm saying? It was just like this. He threw the ball at me, I caught it. You know, I ran, I broke about 10 tackles.
10 of them?
10.
Okay.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Then I high needed.
High
You like
needed.
this.
Heisman. You straight Heisman.
Heisman.
That's it. You know, that's
It's
it.
a wrap.
It's
So-
a wrap. It's
so-
a done deal.
Hey, my touchdown.
Cut the tape off.
It's that.
Hey, so what was the final
You know
score?
what the camera is?
See, I caught one right, and I fell. Had to tumble into the touchdown.
Right.
Tumble.
Ooh.
But I got in there.
Tumble.
Not
Okay,
with
wait,
tumble.
wait, you trying to get in the camera, hold up.
So Jesse's quarterback, right?
Quarterback.
And I went long. I mean,
Long.
long.
V go long.
And he put that ball right here.
Right there.
Right there.
Right
and I'm like,
there.
I was there.
Yes.
Hey, what was the final score, though?
Where Caleb go?
We played 3 games, you know what I'm saying?
They won the first game.
They beat us the first game, but it was nothing.
You know, we had to let the ladies feel
You
good.
know, yeah.
Let them feel good
We
about
came back, beat them the second game.
What was it? 8-3 or
8-3,
something?
you know?
The first game?
Then the third game, we beat them 3-1.
Needed a warm up. That's all.
Yeah,
that was.
you know
I
what
feel
I'm
you.
saying?
You know how when you hoop, you play a
We
game
do
of
the
21
10-10.
players.
Yeah.
That's what that was. That was a
See,
game.
now, if I would have been there,
I had to show this niggas.
y'all wouldn't have lost the first game. I'm going to put it like
You
that.
like, I'm gonna throw the camera on me.
I should have.
Throw the camera on you then if you blind.
No, I got y'all right here. This going on YouTube in like
Oh yeah,
3
and I
seconds.
just got my hair cut.
Got his haircut.
And I got that long stuff though, you know what I'm saying?
hold on.
I got that long
He
stuff.
said he's swimming.
Just kind of cocky. You know, I don't know, just running his mouth a little bit.
Ew.
He got no waves
Hey,
with
look
it.
up.
Just let him know.
Ew.
Let them know.
Don't get my hair, you know what I'm saying? I just got done playing football, so it's nothing.
It's over triceps on deck, you know what I'm saying? In the gym.
He trying to get all